Hey, what's going on? This is Sammy the Good Guy Bogart, and welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I want to talk about making money online. Well, in particular, talking about investing your time. So, it, I've been making money online since 2014, and I help hundreds of people get started on making money online. Now, one of the things that a lot of people ask me in the emails is it hard to do? And I want to say this for you newbies out there that you have to invest time in learning, okay? Learning marketing techniques and strategies is something that you have to do so you get started in your opportunity in making money online, okay? Becoming a digital entrepreneur. You have to invest your time to learn marketing techniques and strategies. Now, sometimes you may hear something like, "Oh, I have the latest autopilot system." Well, guess what? You still have to learn marketing techniques and strategies. It's just there's no other way around it unless you have thousands of dollars per month to buy high quality website traffic or leads or both. Okay, most people don't have that. So again, investing your time is very, very important. Now, what I mean by investing time, I mean getting courses. Find out how to do these things. Okay. Now, another thing that I see people doing is getting involved with somebody say, "Oh, you're going to make $10,000 in your first 30 days, guaranteed." Stay away from those scams. No one can guarantee you income, okay? Because no one knows your work ethics. No one knows how much time that you're going to put into your business. No one knows that. So to guarantee you $10,000 in the next 30 days without even knowing you is a total scam, okay? So again, talking about making money online, and in particular, investing your time, guys. You have to do that. All right. So, with that being said, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions and not concerns, but it's questions about making money online, I would love to hear from you. Okay. There is a comment box there about this video here. Just drop a comment down there. You can call, you can text me. My information is below this video. And if you would, if you like this video, gave you some good information, uh, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's somewhere down here. Okay, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then for those of you that are looking for a legitimate work from home opportunity, then I have a list below in the description area. The top things that I'm in that make me money online. Okay, and you can check that out as well. Anyway, this is Sammy the Good Guy Bogart. Thanks a lot for watching. Until the next video. Bye bye for now.